Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Monday afternoon from the balcony here at the New York Stock Exchange. And I just have one thing to say. Actually, no. I have one thing to show you. You ready? I told you so. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon here in the Big Apple. It's orange and blue everywhere I look. It's also nearly 4 o'clock. The market's there, about to close. Investors, they want to go home, and I'm still riding on this high. In other words, it's happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks trading in a narrow range this Monday afternoon as investors prepare for a series of earnings reports and weak Chinese economic data. Now, that's where we'll first begin in China, as it reported a third quarter gross domestic growth figure of 6.9%. That was slightly above the expected 6.8%, but it's also the lowest in 6 years. China's data having an effect on commodities, which saw crude oil futures fall about 2%. At the same time, in commodities, gold futures in the red as well, $11.80 to be just around $11.71 a troy ounce. At the same time today, investors looking at housing data for more clues about strength of the U.S. economy, with the latest NAHB Wells Fargo Housing Market Index reading coming in at its highest read in over a decade. And when all of this was combined, you have yourself a session where decliners so far leading advancers right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, 3-2. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have been shaping up to close out the first trading session of the new week. And now on the corporate front, German banking giant Deutsche Bank announcing Sunday a company-wide restructuring plan that will fundamentally change how it does business. What exactly this fundamental change is, still yet to be seen. And if you want more corporate news, check out our earlier modernwallstreet.com market movers report with our very own Lilda Smeets. And now it's time for me to do the following. Let's go Mets. What a weekend, already up 2 games against the Chicago Cubs, or as I call them, the Baby Bears. And ladies and gentlemen, I am so happy right now. 2 more wins to go. The Mets are now off to Chicago, and if they make it, get ready for some very special New York Mets reports about this team and myself, whether you like it or not. I hope I get to do these specials. Now that we're off to Chi-Town, and hopefully it's over right there. Maybe in 5 games, right? Let's go Mets. National League Championship Series champs to be. I believe so. And Murphy, oh my. For modernwallstreet.com, I'm James Sweeney, a native of Flushing, New York, a diehard Mets fan. Let's go Mets. I'll see you guys all tomorrow in the morning.